In India, two-wheelers are the top choice for quick and affordable travel. But which bikes offer the best value without costing you a fortune? Let's explore some of India's cheapest bikes and how you can own them smartly. First up, the Hero HF100. Known for excellent fuel efficiency and a tough build, its fuel-saving technology makes it perfect for everyday use. Next, the TVS Sport. Updated with a stylish design, tubeless tires and good ground clearance for rough roads. It's a fuel-efficient and practical choice. The Bajaj Platina 100 blends affordability with comfort. Its special rear suspension and extra features make it a smooth and easy ride. Owning any bike means more than just buying it. Ride smart, accelerate gently, keep tires well pressurized, and avoid unnecessary idling to save fuel. Maintenance is key. Stick to service schedules and use quality parts to avoid costly repairs. Safety is vital. Third-party insurance is must-have in India, protecting you financially if things go wrong. But consider comprehensive insurance for full peace of mind. Join rider communities online. Sharing tips and advice helps you look after your bike well. Affordable bikes can be reliable and enjoyable with the right care and protection. When you're looking to insure your bike, consider Royal Sundaram for your insurance needs.